High teas work really well with the Christmas culture and the spirit that Christmas brings. Have 8 or 9 guests or friends over and just create various different styles, modern, unique and through to the entire Christmas season. While pinwheel sandwiches and sandwiches or canapes are always the norm for a high tea, here's today getting quirky with a Parmesan, Jalapeno and Olive cookie, quite community in nature. By having free labor at home, it's best to use them to create a perfect cookie. Pair this along with some mimosas and you're good to go. Let's get to creating it. Now, while high teas need to be fun and entertaining, they are very old school in nature. However, what you can do is engage your guests, get them to pitch in, create various new styles. My giant cookie dough works wonders out here, and while the guests are creating that, all you can do is go right ahead and make the easiest of mimosas to go with this savory cookie. To start off, into my pan I've got 500 grams of refined flour going in. And this is such an easy recipe that you can just do it at any given time. Into that goes 400 grams of Parmesan cheese, grated. With the Parmesan cheese in goes a tablespoon of oregano flakes, the dehydrated kind, just to give it that burst of flavor. And about 40 grams of jalapenos that I've chopped. You want spice because it works really well with the mimosa cocktail that you're going to have. So finely chopped jalapenos going in, along with some specks of black coming in through black olives. So about 40 grams of black olives finely chopped in as well. Into this entire mix goes 500 grams of salted butter cubes, chilled just so that it blends well together. So just put it on in, and all you need to do is get everything mixing well together. So set this down and start blending the entire mix. Seasoning this entire dough with a little speck of some garlic salt is what gives it that burst of flavor. Garlic roasted just merges well with the Parmesan, the jalapeno and the black olives. With this in, all you need to do is now get this to blitz and churn with just about 100 ml of chilled water so that it forms the perfect dough. While this dough is so easy to create, all you need to do is take it off from your stand mixer and just allow everything to come together. With this dough nearly ready, form to the perfect ball, and a best way to get your friends to engage in creating that perfect giant cookie. So all we are going to do now is allow this dough to divide into 2 parts to go into 2 cookie molds. This competition is boys versus girls, so wait, not ready, go for it. Come on! And flatten it out. And since we are on a roll, I might as well just get in and...
Basically, the women have done such a poor job of it that the chef needs to go and...
Guys, we won like an hour ago.
Yeah.
What do you
mean? Okay.
We're done now.
Nick, you want to make the mimosas? So mimosas happen really well. Top your glass 3/4 with champagne and go on top of it with some orange juice. Now you can get a little experimental and add some orange liqueur in as well. So let's wait and watch. With the mimosas ready, all we need to do is allow these cookies to chill for about 30 minutes and put it straight into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. time now to go right ahead and enjoy high tea with the mimosas. Let's go. "30 minutes of allowing the cookie dough to chill. It goes bang into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes till it gets gorgeously golden brown. And I get back to the high tea. Now with the cookie nearly ready and the banter way too loud, it's time to just go right ahead and enjoy it. Girls' Day. And this is what the boys' day.
That is nice.
Yeah,
Exactly.
it's burnt.
It is even.
This is beautiful golden.
Now this cookie is a great way to entertain and get your guests way involved into the entire high tea activity. So in tune with Christmas and getting everybody just to break the ice with each other. I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous treat with me. These mimosas just elevate the mood, and this Parmesan cookie works really well in getting everything perfectly well together. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.